And keep that colour running down a little bit. Clean, lovely bright colour. Lovely bright colour, no sharp edge. Putting more colour on the brush. Spreading the colour. Like, I can go backwards and forwards with this brush with no real difficulty. Sometimes a brush, when people use them, they lift the colour. You can see that's not happening. So it's one of the good things about my brush set, really happy with it. Strong reflection. I'm holding the brush quite away from my body and getting that shape and colour to dive and merge quickly. Now that, probably along with the fact that I'll be using other round brushes, could make quite a big dividend. So I suppose 50% of the painting is done with that flat brush. Don't have to have every detail here all once. So there we go. And I haven't dried the paper yet. Okay. I suppose some people say, well, would you paint the boat that way? Well, you can. It's not really saying, well, you can. So if I use the brush on the edge, like that, like that. Like that. That. This is just a forerunner of painting the shape. A little bit of a blue colour coming across in here. And even though I'm using the point, it's not a really sharp point, so it's just right for that job, just to create that little bit of a look. So if I'm saying, well, I want to get some shape or some other shapes or colours in the bottom of that picture, you know, here people say, oh, that's gone on with a sharp line, but look, I'm pushing that in with a brush. See? I'm actually doing that and squeezing the brush like this, using water, but squeezing them almost all that colour out. So where there's no real, even though I've worked on dry paper, there's no real distinctive sharp line, and I've actually picked up a little bit of the light tone in here. So it's kind of effective in the way that works. You know, giving me the depth and throwing the eye forward. So sometimes just those little things mean a lot. I'm very fortunate, I suppose, here today to be able to show you this in this wonderful workplace. So beautiful. I'll always remember it, and I hope those who get a chance to use these brushes will distinctly get some benefit from it. I'm sure they will. And you see how I'm just using